So they are demolishing the old Atco gas building. It was the services building. I think they had their service fleet there. It's got to be at least 60 years old. But it's been empty for at least a decade or more. Just sitting here. And there's the front side of the main entrance used to be there. Yeah, I was wondering when they were going to level this. And I'm sure they'll put up another large condo like that or something. Maybe like this. Wow. Well, you get your last look at that circa 1965, maybe. Who knows how old that is. Early 60s? Late 60s? And that was Atco. Yeah, looking at the concrete there, those prefab pieces, that looks like it could be early 70s, late 60s. In fact, my school at that time was designed to look almost similar, very similar to that.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh well. No point in getting a view from the west side, as there's nothing left back there. It's just the front facade.